Question 5. Very typical database style question. A local garage keeps details of all cars for sale in a computer database, part of which is shown below. So we've got information about the registration number, we've got the type of the car, the colour, the engine size, the fuel and the price. How many records are shown in this database? Remember a record in a database is all information stored about one person or thing. So in this database we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 records. So we have 8 collections of information about different cars. How many cars would be found by the following search? Colour equals to red. So if we go to colour and we look through it, how many cars are red? So the search would return 2 red cars. The fuel field contains the letters D or P, which obviously stands for diesel or petrol. Describe one benefit of entering data in this way. The main benefit of entering data in that way is that it's going to save storage space on your computer. Because you don't have to type in the full word for diesel or petrol, it is going to save storage space on your computer. Another advantage of it is that it is going to make it easier for the person entering the data. It's not going to make it easier for them, sorry, it is going to allow faster data entry because they don't have to type in the full word. They can just put in D or P. Don't be saying things like it makes it easier like I've just done, because they won't give you the mark for that. You have to explain it clearly. So you would say it will allow for faster data entry because they don't have to type in the full word for diesel or petrol. Or you would mention that it will save storage space on the computer because again we're shortening down the text and it won't have to save the full word within the database. It will just be the letter D or P, which will save storage space on your computer. You can't just say it will save space, you must say that it will save storage space. Again, another very common question based around queries which comes up every year. A customer wants to know if there are any grey saloon cars in stock. Complete the table below to show how the garage can obtain this information from the database. So it's asking us in this box, it wants us to write in the field name, and in this one it wants us to write in exactly what we need to search for in order to find them. So we're looking for grey saloon cars. So if we go up to the first one, is going to be colour. So the field is going to be colour. So we would write colour in here equals to grey, G-R-E-Y. You must make sure you spell the field names and the search criteria exactly as it is in the database, otherwise you will not be awarded the mark. Saloon cars. If we go to type field, we can see that holds that information, and we're looking for saloon. So we go to field name is going to be type, and search criteria is going to be saloon, S-A-L-O-O-N. In this type of question, one place that you might go wrong is if they ask you to find the fuel and the diesel. The diesel or petrol cars. If they did ask you about that, you would have to type in the search criteria D or P. If you typed in diesel or petrol, you would not give the marks because that would not return any results. You need to search that database for fuel equals to D or P. Sometimes they do that to try and trick you, but this time they haven't. So your field name for the first one is colour equals to grey, and field name for your second part is type equals to saloon.